So you want to remove inactive friends on Facebook, right? You want to boost your engagement. You want to cut the dead weight so that you can actually focus on just the people who are engaging with your content. What's up? My name is Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5. Here you're seeing the Tier 5 offices. Actually back here, since it's the middle of the night, you can see the amazing Tier 5 support team that supports you if you ever need any help with any software. But anyways, I'm not a marketer, so I'm not gonna do like any type of marketing or anything to you. What I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna give you some free software, all right? I know what you're looking for. You're looking to actually be able to remove your inactive friends on Facebook. So I'm gonna give you a software that we built here at Tier 5 called Friend Disconnector that will help you do just that. So all you have to do is click this button right here. Just click this button right here, fill out the box that pops up, and as soon as you fill out that box that pops up, you'll receive an email. Just follow the instructions in the email. Literally, you just click a button in the email. I'll get your account set up. I'll give you a free Pro Friend Disconnector account. Now, just keep in mind, this is an account that we normally charge $60 a month for, but I'm gonna give it to you for free because I wanna provide as much value to you as I can up front. And since you're looking for a way to actually remove inactive friends on Facebook, that's exactly what Friend Disconnector does. So what Friend Disconnector does, if you just fill out that box, you'll be able to use it and you'll be able to find out. But it literally allows you just to click a button, it will sync all your friends, and then it will actually show you how many comments that they've left on your post, how many likes that they've left, and if you've ever had any messenger conversations with them, and then literally you can just click whoever you want to delete, click a button, and it will actually go in and delete those people. It will also show you all the deactivated friends that you have so you can remove anybody that is no longer on Facebook, and it will also show you friends that you've lost, meaning friends that you were connected with, but for some reason, they've actually unfriended you. So if you are looking for a way to unfriend inactive Facebook friends and actually clean up your friends list so that you can boost engagement, and you can be left with a hyper-targeted list that are actually engaging with your content, then you want Friend Disconnector. And instead of charging you $60 a month like we charge other people, all you have to do, again, I'm gonna give it to you for free because again, like I said, I wanna provide value up front to you. All you have to do, click this box right here. See that box? Get started, it's a little bit backwards, I know it's backwards. Click this box right here, it's gonna pop up. Hold on, I'll show you. I'll show you what's gonna pop up just in case you need to see it. There. Click that box. It's gonna pop this thing up right here. It's gonna pop that up. Just put in your name and email address. Make sure you do put in a valid email address because I'm gonna send you the instructions to your email address. So just put in your name and email address, click that button, and then what's gonna happen is you're gonna get an email, and all you have to do is confirm your email address. You're just gonna click a button and boom, your account will be set up. It's a pro account, unlocked, no limits, no restrictions. Like I said, we normally charge $60 a month for it, but I'm giving it to you for free, basically in exchange for your email address, because I wanna provide a lot of value up front, because I'm 100% certain that we have a lot of other software that will help you grow your business.